Welcome to the Fluid Framework Preview. The Fluid Framework empowers you to work and collaborate in a way that feels natural to you by breaking down application barriers. Unsure of how to get started? This video will give you a quick rundown of how to use the Fluid Preview. Get started by clicking the Create New button on the left-hand side. Then, give your project a title and choose where you'd like to save it. To expand your report, click the icon next to your cursor to add components. You can also type the plus symbol. Either action will bring up the Discover menu with options of what you can add. Selecting the Action Items table from the list of components will allow you to easily keep track of outstanding tasks. To assign tasks to your colleagues, mention them using the @ symbol before writing their name. This will tag them and invite them to collaborate with you. Since you mentioned your colleague Diego, he can jump in and start working on this report with you. When you mention yourself or someone mentions you, your name will be highlighted and bolded so you can easily find the part that is relevant to you. To make sure you accomplish your goals on time, you can choose due dates for tasks. Fluid has a built-in calendar countdown. It will automatically update the date as the days go by, making it easy to keep track of upcoming deadlines and highlight overdue tasks. If you want to format the text, just right-click and a menu will pop up with contextual options based on where you right-clicked from. For example, since you're working in the text area, right-clicking here brings up text formatting options. Now you can choose Heading 1 for the title format. You and your colleagues can start typing to get your report underway. When your colleagues complete an action item, they can check it off. Quickly scan all the places where you've been mentioned by clicking the @ icon in the left-hand corner. And check out the recent panel to view the projects you've been working on. If you would like to share feedback with Microsoft about your experience, click the feedback icon in the bottom left. Especially because this is an early preview. We'd love to hear about how you're using the preview, what your suggestions are, and what you want us to build next.